Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen about the steel sector and the three major steel companies and made an analysis about whether to purchase it at this price or not. In this video we are going to see about electric vehicle related industry. So when I am saying electric vehicle related industry, we can classify it into three types. That is the companies which produce electric vehicles. Okay. The second is the companies which produce batteries for electric vehicles. Third is the companies which produce charging stations for electric vehicles. So in this video we are going to see about the list of companies producing batteries for electric vehicles in India. So all these things, all the companies which you are going to see in this video is related to India, not about any of the foreign countries. Okay, there are a list of companies which we are going to see now. Okay, some of the companies which produce batteries for electric vehicles are Amara Raja Batteries. Second company is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Third company is Costlight India Telecom Private Limited. Fourth company is Eon Electric Limited, EON. Fifth company is Exicom Power Solutions, EXICOM. Sixth company is EXIDE Industries Limited. Seventh company is Green Fuel. Eighth company is HBL Power Systems. Ninth company is Napino Auto Electronics Limited. 10th is Okaya Power Private Limited. 11th is Tata Chemicals. 12th is Trontech Group, TRONTEK Group. Now we have these 12 companies which produce batteries for electric vehicles. Some of these companies have been listed in BSE and NSE, some have not been listed. So we are going to see the companies which have been listed in the stock market and the related charts. Now first we will see the Amara Raja Batteries company and we will analyze it. Okay. Now if you observe this graph, you will, from 2012 to 2021, you will find that the peak has been reached at around 1050. Okay, 1025. Now the current price today in 2021 7th January is 987. So it is almost going to reach the previous peak which it has reached in 2015 and 2016 December, around November. Now my prediction is after it reaches the 1025 mark, there is every possibility that the Amara Raja Batteries sees a downfall. Okay, there will be because it has reached the batteries will see a resistance at 1025 level. Okay, because it has reached a peak which has already been reached. Okay, so my expectation is after it reaches the resistance of 1025, we can expect a downfall, and for small players especially, don't enter at this time, though it may be a good company definitely, but I would suggest you to enter when it reaches maybe around 750. Okay, I am expecting a downfall, and if the value comes down from 1025 to 750, maybe you can enter it at that point. For long term players, that is those who have long term plans, maybe you can invest it now. So as far as the balance sheet is concerned, it is having a total good income in September 2020, and also profit after tax is excellent. It has everything is green in 2020, so it's having an excellent growth. The next company which we are going to see is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. If you observe this graph, you will find that from 2012 to 2021, it is continuously seeing a downfall. It was once a great company, but now not anymore. So it may be producing batteries for electric vehicles, but still I would not recommend now for small players to invest any money in this, because we have other options, we have other good companies to invest now which has a positive and growth. So now next we will go on to the next company. The next is Eon Electric Limited. So this is a company which has been recently listed in May 2020. So it doesn't have a good history, but still the current price is 6 rupees 40 paise. For those or who are small players who have just 10,000, 15,000, who want to make a try or entry into the electric vehicle segment, maybe you can try it. Maybe the detailed analysis of whether we can go for this company or not, we can see in a separate video. Okay. The next is EXIDE Industries. EXIDE Industries, we need not worry about it. It's an excellent company which has a good history from 2012. If you observe this graph, it has reached a peak of around 290 previously, and the current price is 200. So I'm expecting the price to reach around 230, then next around 260 or 65. Once it crosses 230, it'll reach 260 or 65. So, but still, it is an excellent price. 200 is a good price. Those who, if you are willing for long-term players who are willing to invest, can invest it now. But still, you can see for some time, maybe till January end. I am expecting a small crash. But those who want to invest for long-term, definitely you can invest. As far as the balance sheet is concerned, in September 2020, you will find everything positive in this graph and this chart, and there is nothing to worry. Total income it has seen a drastic increase, and profit after tax is excellent. So nothing to worry about EXIDE Industries. So HBL Power Systems Limited. HBL Power Systems, it was started in 2008, and it was started in 2008, but it has not seen significant price rise. Okay, the maximum price it has reached is 70, and the minimum price it has reached is around 10, and in 2020, even in 2020 March, it has reached around 11 or 12. So that could have been a good price. Now it has reached 38 rupees, and maybe definitely for long-term investors, definitely you can have it as a choice for long-term investors who have very less amount of money. Definitely you can you can have this as a choice, because since the company is there from 2008, definitely I think we can trust it. But in detail we can go into the performance of these companies later, okay, in separate video. Then next is Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals, we need not worry, it's an excellent company which is seeing excellent growth. But the thing for stock buyers is, it has reached for the first time nearly 498, and the rise is extremely steep, and I will not suggest to buy at this price, though it's an excellent company which will have a excellent growth over the next 10 years. So I would request you, especially for small players or for short-term players, okay, short-term players, not to enter at this time. So if from maybe from 498, if it reaches around 350 or 320, when there's a crash, I'm expecting around at least to reach 400. Okay, now it's around 500. Now at least buy at 400, or not to enter at this point of time. Okay, since it has had a steep rise, definitely I'm expecting a fall. Okay, then next, so this is the companies. The other companies which we have not seen are those companies which have not been listed in the stock market. So I'm sure this video must have been extremely helpful for those interested in investing in electric vehicle technology companies in India. And I request you friends to share this video to all those friends who are related to share market and others, okay, who want to make a long-term investment in share market, especially in EV related industries. Request you to comment, share and subscribe this video. Thank you friends, and in the next video we will be seeing about the companies related to charging stations, list of companies related to charging stations. And in the next subsequent video we will be seeing about the list of companies which are manufacturing electric vehicles. Okay, so we will be seeing all that. So be in touch and subscribe, and be in touch. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you.